Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. And so, for the 2 days, we recognized, analyzed, understood, and imbibed all the beautiful and interesting piece of information you had provided on the topic integrating AI in teaching. So, it was a great experience, sir. And right from Slides Go yesterday, you provided all the data about Slides Go yesterday. It was very interesting. And today you followed it up with ChatGPT, Copilot, and integrating AI in Google Slides, quizzes, and Gemini. Everything. It was highly interesting, engaging, useful, and informative session, sir. And I must say this, you presented all the information in a very interesting and articulative manner, and none of us were bored. This is an honest answer, sir, and none of us were bored throughout the 2 days. The sessions were very interactive and interesting, sir. And we agree, we agree that, and we agree and realize that the approaching era of artificial intelligence and virtual reality, we see that from the 2 days we realize that this is going to be the future. Artificial intelligence is the future. But today there was a session where a poll was conducted, and some of them voted that AI will be, it will lead to the wrong path. But it is not so. It is not so. Though it is apparent that they are attempting to replace human roles and responsibilities, they could never ever replace humanity. So human roles will be reduced in the future, but humanity cannot be replaced. So with that, I thank you all. I thank the college management for the opportunity provided to interact with the sir today and yesterday. And so thank you for everything. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Vishwar. We are deciding to give the chance to any 2 students, but last 2 days, almost students being very actively participated in this workshop. So I can give one chance to Jayashree Bila, first year BEd student, to give your feedback about this workshop. Please come.
First of all, I thank for Principal Ma'am and Solomon sir. It was very interesting these 2 days. We enjoyed this integrating AI program. In 12th standard computer science, I learned about artificial intelligence. I don't know what to say, but these 2 days I learned about what is artificial intelligence and how to use artificial intelligence in education. I think I thank college management for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much.